How to fix YouTube black screen on smart TV. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to fix if your YouTube is not playing on a smart TV. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your TV and head over to the settings menu. You'll find the gear icon on the top right corner, so go ahead and click on it to open up your settings. Now once you get to your settings, you just have to scroll down until you find the app sections. So go ahead and tap on apps. And once you open up your apps, you'll see a list of all of your apps. If you find YouTube on the recently opened list, that's alright. But if you don't see it, you can click on see all apps and then find YouTube. Now just go ahead and click on YouTube. And you will see all of these options for your YouTube application. The first thing you have to do is force stop YouTube. Go ahead and click on force stop and then click on OK to confirm. And once you force stop YouTube, the second thing you want to do is clear its cache. Go ahead and click on clear cache and then confirm it by tapping OK. Now, other thing you need to do is clear data. Click on clear data and then click on OK to confirm. Now, once you go back to your home screen, you just have to restart your TV. And once you restart your TV, then you just try to open up YouTube and it will start working. But if this does not work, then try to unplug your device and unplug your router for a few seconds and plug it back in to see if that works. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.